Before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video. Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a platform where you can access and use a lot of AI models for images and video generations, including Grok AI, Sedans 2.0, Veo 3.1, Clink AI, and a lot more. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Alright, so the website I'm talking about today is called webspeed.ai. I've made a couple of videos about this platform, but yes, this platform is still working and a lot of people are still benefiting from it. So if you are not yet on the platform, make sure you go ahead and start using the platform. Just go ahead, search WaveSpeed AI and click on the first link you see right here. So once you click on it, it's going to load up and take you right here. Now you can see right here, you can generate images here. You can also generate videos here. Alright, so all you need to do is to come over here and click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you right here. Now, all you need to do is to go ahead and create an account using any of this method here. So you can create your account using Google. You can create your account using GitHub. So for me personally, I already have an account. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into my existing account and show you guys how the platform works. Alright guys, so once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. So to start using the platform, all you need to do is to come over here and click on AI generator, and it's going to load up and take you right here. You can see I already generated some videos right here on the platform. When you sign up, they give you $1 in free credits. So you can see I've already spent my $1. I only have 0.4 cents. But as a new user, the platform gives you $1 in credits, and you can use that $1 to generate AI images and videos for you. Now, the trick here is that if you can create more accounts, you will be able to generate more videos, because each account you create, you get $1 in free credit. So I already used my $1. I only have 0.4 USD in my balance, which is what I'm going to be using to demonstrate in this video. But again, you can create more accounts. The more accounts you create, the more credits you get to continue generating your videos. So over here, you can see it is already on image generators right here. If I click here, you will see that they have Queen Image 3 here. They have One AI, they have Nano Banana 2, they have Grok Imagine 2, Nano Banana Pro, and the rest. Now, if you want to generate video, just come down here and click on video, and it's gonna take you here. You can see right here, you can access Sedans 2.5 here. You can access Sedans 2.0. You can access Sedans 2.0 Turbo, Sedans 2.0 Mini, One AI, Mini Max, Clink AI, Grok Imagine 1.5, and Grok Imagine Veo 3.1, and the rest. So in this video, we are going to be using Grok Imagine. So I'm gonna click on it. It's gonna take me right here. So this is where I'm gonna paste my prompts. And this is where I'm going to upload an image to animate it. I'm going to select the duration right here, the resolution, select it right here, and then the aspect ratio, you select which aspect ratio you want to use. Now, the higher the duration, the higher the credits you'll be consuming. Remember, when you sign up, they give you only $1 in free credits. So for me, I'm going to take it down to 6 seconds, and I'm going to leave my resolution to 720p. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompts right here. After that, I'm going to scroll down here, click over here, select the image I want to animate, click open, and you can see the image has been uploaded successful. Next, I'm going to scroll down here and click on generate. You can see that the video has started generating. Now, right here, you can see my credits remain just $0.1. But as you can see right here, I've been generating images and videos on this platform before now. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, the video has been generated successful. So if you want to preview it, you can click right here and preview the video. So just in case you don't like something about the video, you can go ahead and regenerate. But if you're okay with the video, you can click over here where it says download. Just click on it and the video will be downloaded successfully. You can see this one has been downloaded. So that is basically how you can access Sedans 2.5, Sedans 2.0, Grok Imagine, and many other AI images and videos completely free. And the trick here is for you to create more accounts, because each account you create give you just $1 in credits. You can create at least 4 videos using any AI model on the platform for free. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this for you guys. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.